Hey, you, yes, you, the one who's watching this video right now, the one who's bored out of your mind at your current job, the one who's dreaming of doing something more exciting, more meaningful, more fulfilling. I have a question for you. What if I told you that you don't need to quit your boring job to achieve your dreams? What if I told you that you can use your boring job as a launchpad to your dreams? What if I told you that your boring job is actually the best thing that ever happened to you? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's actually very true and very possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you how a boring job can provide you with stability, time, and valuable skills. I'm going to show you how a boring job can allow you to redefine success, fund your future dreams, and keep your creative juices flowing. I'm going to show you how a boring job can be much more than just a boring job. It can be a launchpad to your dreams. So if you're ready to turn your boring job into a dream job, keep watching this video and prepare to be amazed. The strategic value of a boring job. First of all, let me clarify what I mean by a boring job. I'm not talking about a job that is unethical, illegal, or harmful to yourself or others. I'm talking about a job that is mundane, routine, and low stress. A job that doesn't require much creativity, innovation, or problem solving. A job that you can do without much effort or attention. Now, why would such a job be strategic? Well, because it gives you a unique perspective that most people don't have. Most people are either stuck in jobs that they hate or chasing jobs that they love. Both of these scenarios have their drawbacks. If you hate your job, you're likely to be unhappy, frustrated, and demotivated. You're likely to dread going to work every day and feel like you're wasting your time and potential. You're likely to have low self-esteem and confidence and struggle with your mental health. If you love your job, you're likely to be happy, fulfilled, and motivated. You're likely to enjoy going to work every day and feel like you're making a difference and living your purpose. You're likely to have high self-esteem and confidence and thrive in your mental health. But here's the catch. Loving your job also comes with a price. You're likely to face high expectations, pressure, and competition. You're likely to work long hours, sacrifice your personal life, and neglect your health. You're likely to experience stress, anxiety, and burnout. A boring job avoids both of these extremes. It doesn't make you miserable or ecstatic. It doesn't drain you or consume you. It just is what it is. A means to an end. A way to earn a living and support yourself. And that's exactly why it's strategic. Because it frees up your mental resources for other things. Things that matter more to you than your job. Things that can make you truly successful and fulfilled. Defining success. It's not always about the job title. One of the biggest myths in our society is that success is defined by your job title. That the more prestigious, influential, or lucrative your job is, the more successful you are. That the more you love your job, the more successful you are. But this is not true. Success is not objective. It's subjective. It's not what others think of you. It's what you think of yourself. It's not what you do. It's who you are. A boring job allows you to redefine success on your own terms. It allows you to focus on what really matters to you, your personal growth and financial freedom. Personal growth means developing yourself as a human being, your skills, knowledge, values, character, relationships, hobbies, passions, etc. Financial freedom means having enough money to live comfortably and pursue your goals without depending on anyone else. A boring job can help you achieve both of these things. By giving you time to learn new things, explore new interests, meet new people, etc. And by giving you money to save, invest, travel, etc. By redefining success in this way, you can realize that a boring job is not a hindrance, it's an asset. Stability first, funding your future dreams. Another benefit of a boring job is that it provides financial stability. This is something that many people overlook or underestimate in their quest for excitement and fulfillment. Financial stability is not just about having enough money to pay the bills. It's about having enough money to fund your future dreams. We all have dreams, things we want to do or achieve in life. Maybe it's starting a business, writing a book, creating art, traveling the world, etc. But dreams don't come cheap. They require money. Money for equipment, materials, training, marketing, traveling, etc. And money doesn't grow on trees. It requires work. Work that may not be relative to your dream, or even enjoyable. That's where a boring job comes in handy. It gives you the money you need to fund your dream, without taking too much of your time or energy. A boring job is like a bank account. You deposit money every month, and withdraw it when you need it. You don't have to worry about running out of money, or borrowing money, or losing money. You have the peace of mind and the freedom to pursue your dream at your own pace and on your own terms. Predictable hours. More time for side hustles and passions. Another advantage of a boring job is that it has predictable hours. This means that you know exactly when you start and finish work and how much time you have in between. This is a huge benefit for anyone who has a side hustle or a passion project. Both of these things can be very rewarding and fulfilling, but they also require time and dedication. Time and dedication that you may not have if you have a demanding or unpredictable job. A boring job gives you the time you need to work on your side hustle or passion project. You can plan your schedule accordingly and allocate your free time to your chosen activity. You can also use your boring job as a source of inspiration or motivation for your side hustle or passion project. You can use the skills or knowledge you learn at work, or the problems or challenges you face as ideas or solutions for your own venture. You can also use your boring job as a contrast or incentive for your side hustle or passion project. You can use the monotony or dissatisfaction of your work as a reminder or a reason to pursue something more meaningful or enjoyable. A boring job is like a clock. It tells you when to work and when to play, and helps you balance both. Reduce mental load. Keeping your creative juices flowing. Another benefit of a boring job is that it reduces your mental load. This means that it doesn't require much mental effort or attention from you. This is a great thing for anyone who wants to keep their creative juices flowing. Creativity is the ability to produce original and valuable ideas. Ideas that can help you solve problems, create products, express yourself, etc. But creativity is not something that you can turn on and off at will. It's something that needs to be nurtured and stimulated. And one of the best ways to do that is to reduce your mental load. Mental load is the amount of mental energy or cognitive resources that you use for a given task. The higher the mental load, the more difficult the task, and the more exhausted you feel afterwards. A high mental load can impair your creativity in several ways. By reducing your focus, by limiting your perspective, by increasing your stress, by decreasing your mood, etc. A low mental load can enhance your creativity in several ways. By increasing your focus, by expanding your perspective, by reducing your stress, by improving your mood, etc. A boring job reduces your mental load by being easy and simple. It doesn't challenge you, distract you, stress you out, or depress you. It leaves you with plenty of mental energy and cognitive resources to spare. You can use this surplus of mental power for creative purposes, by brainstorming new ideas, by exploring new possibilities, by experimenting with new methods, etc. A boring job is like a battery. It charges your mind and keeps it ready for creative action. Networking opportunities. It's not just about the current job. Another advantage of a boring job is that it offers networking opportunities. This means that it allows you to meet and connect with people who can help you in your future endeavors. Networking is not just about making friends or socializing. It's about building relationships that can benefit you professionally or personally. Relationships that can provide you with information, advice, support, referrals, opportunities, etc. Networking is not just about the people you work with. It's about the people you work for, the people you serve, and the people you encounter. Your boss, your clients, your suppliers, your competitors, your industry peers, etc. Networking is not just about the current job. It's about the potential jobs. The jobs that you may want to apply for, switch to, or create in the future. A boring job gives you the opportunity to network with all of these people. You can use your boring job as a platform to showcase your skills, personality, and value. You can use your boring job as a bridge to reach out to people who share your interests, goals, or vision. You can use your boring job as a springboard to jump into new opportunities that may arise. You never know who you may meet or what you may learn from a boring job. You never know who may become your mentor, partner, investor, customer, or friend. A boring job is like a network. It connects you to people and possibilities that can enrich your life. Skill acquisition. Every job teaches something valuable. Another benefit of a boring job is that it teaches you valuable skills. This may sound surprising, considering that a boring job is supposed to be easy and simple. But the truth is that every job teaches something valuable, something that can help you in your personal or professional development. A boring job teaches you hard skills, the technical or practical skills that are specific to your role or industry. These skills may include data entry, customer service, accounting, etc. A boring job also teaches you soft skills, the interpersonal or emotional skills that are applicable to any role or industry. These skills may include communication, teamwork, time management, etc. But most importantly, a boring job teaches you meta skills, the higher-order skills that are essential for any successful endeavor. These skills may include patience, resilience, motivation, etc. These meta skills are crucial for anyone who wants to achieve anything in life. They are especially important for entrepreneurs who face uncertainty and risk on a daily basis. A boring job. Avoiding burnout. Keeping your passion alive. Another benefit of a boring job is that it helps you avoid burnout. Burnout is a state of physical, mental, and emotional exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. Burnout can affect anyone who is passionate about their work, but especially those who work in high-pressure or high-demand environments. Burnout can have serious consequences for your health, happiness, and performance. It can make you feel tired, depressed, and cynical. It can make you lose interest, motivation, and creativity. It can make you perform poorly, make mistakes, and miss deadlines. A boring job helps you avoid burnout by being low pressure and low demand. It doesn't stress you out or overwhelm you. It doesn't expect too much from you or push you too hard. It doesn't consume your life or drain your energy. It leaves you with enough physical, mental, and emotional resources to spare. Resources that you can use to keep your passion alive. Passion is the intense and positive emotion that you feel when you do something that you love or care about. Passion is what drives you to pursue your dreams, express your talents, and make a difference. Passion is what makes life worth living. A boring job helps you preserve your passion by giving you space and time to nurture it. It gives you space to breathe, relax, and recharge. It gives you time to explore, experiment, and learn. It allows you to keep your passion as a hobby or a side project without the pressure or expectation of making it your main source of income or identity. It allows you to enjoy your passion for its own sake without the risk of losing it to stress or boredom. A boring job is like a fire extinguisher. It prevents your passion from burning out and keeps it glowing. Building resilience and patience. Essential traits for entrepreneurs. Another benefit of a boring job is that it builds resilience and patience. These are two essential traits for anyone who wants to be an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is the process of creating, launching, and running a new business venture. Entrepreneurship is one of the most rewarding and fulfilling paths you can take in life, but also one of the most challenging and risky. Entrepreneurship requires resilience, the ability to bounce back from failure, rejection, and criticism. Resilience is what helps you overcome the obstacles and setbacks that you will inevitably face in your entrepreneurial journey. Resilience is what helps you learn from your mistakes and improve your performance. Entrepreneurship also requires patience, the ability to wait for results, feedback, and opportunities. Patience is what helps you cope with the uncertainty and ambiguity that you will inevitably face in your entrepreneurial journey. Patience is what helps you persevere and persist in your vision and goals. A boring job helps you develop resilience and patience by exposing you to monotony and challenge, by forcing you to deal with repetition and boredom, by requiring you to overcome obstacles and frustration. By practicing resilience and patience in a boring job, you can strengthen them for your entrepreneurial venture. A boring job is like a gym. It trains you and prepares you for the real challenge. The freedom to fail. A safety net for your ventures. Another benefit of a boring job is that it gives you the freedom to fail. This means that it provides you with a safety net for your ventures. Failure is inevitable in any endeavor, but especially in entrepreneurship. Failure is not a sign of weakness or incompetence. It's a sign of learning and growth. Failure is not something to be feared or avoided. It's something to be embraced and celebrated. Failure is what helps you discover new opportunities, test new hypotheses, validate new assumptions, etc. Failure is what helps you iterate, pivot, and adapt your product or service to the market needs and preferences. But failure also comes with a cost: emotional, financial, and reputational. Failure can hurt your feelings, drain your bank account, and damage your reputation. That's why having a safety net is crucial for any entrepreneur. A safety net is something that protects you from the negative consequences of failure. A safety net is something that gives you the confidence and courage to take risks and experiment. A boring job can be your safety net. It can protect you from the emotional cost of failure by giving you a sense of stability and security. It can protect you from the financial cost of failure by giving you a steady income and savings. It can protect you from the reputational cost of failure by giving you a backup plan and an alternative identity. By having a boring job as your safety net, you can have the freedom to fail without fear or regret. A boring job is like a parachute. It saves you from falling too hard and too fast. The boring job as a launchpad to your dreams. As you can see, a boring job can be much more than just a boring job. It can be a launchpad to your dreams. A launchpad that provides stability, time, and valuable skills. A launchpad that allows you to redefine success, fund your future dreams, work on your side hustles and passions, keep your creative juices flowing, network with potential allies, avoid burnout, build resilience and patience, and have the freedom to fail. A launchpad that enables you to pursue your dreams without sacrificing your health, happiness, or sanity. A launchpad that empowers you to achieve unparalleled success and fulfillment in life. So there you have it. Why you want a really boring job. I hope this video has changed your perspective on what a boring job can do for you and how it can be the best thing that ever happened to you. I hope this video has inspired you to consider seemingly mundane job opportunities that may come your way, or even seek them out intentionally. I hope this video has motivated you to use your boring job as a launchpad to your dreams, and not as a dead end to your potential. Remember, a boring job is not a curse, it's a blessing. A boring job is not a trap, it's an opportunity. A boring job is not a waste of time, it's an investment in your future. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of having a boring job. Until next time, stay awesome and keep dreaming.